Another day with Day. I'm in Planet Bakery in Hongdae. Strawberry tart, mocha soft. Thanks, my total bill for this trip, 12,700. Pero hindi ako makita ko. So, walang forex. I have to drink water first because I haven't drunk any water since last night. Tasty strawberry egg tart. Oh my god, it's so good. It's so good. So good. Oh my gosh. So good. I'm not even joking. Of course, the dalgi. Dalgi is strawberry. Oh my gosh. It's so good. Try the iced Americano. Acidic siya. It's good naman. Matcha dito sa egg tart. Oh my god, ang sarap ng egg tart, guys. This is a quick solo trip, by the way. Parang 4 days lang ako solo trip. 7 days with my family last week. Malit sila kahapon. So ako lang solo trip ako. Lagi lang ako kumakain sa kung ano madaanan ko. For example, kagabi nagbibimbap ako sa nadaanan ko lang sa Jongno Sam. Ito nadaanan ko lang siya kasi along the way na siya papuntang bus station. Pupunta ako Seongsu to film collaboration. It was a 10-minute walk. Lapit lang, pero hinga lang. I have to buy a skirt kasi wala akong isasuot tomorrow and on Wednesday. And Thursday na lang ako. I have something for Singleri City. But I got more confident kasi mag-film publicly and talking publicly. Pero if mapapansin din, yung sa balikat ko, na-conscious ko din mga tala niya, stop ko lang. Kasi hiyan na ako. Sa Samsung na naman ako 50% off. It's either ma-overwhelm ako or magsha-shopping na naman ako ng mga bagay na hindi ko kailangan. Kasi sasakad na ng paa ko at saka ng tuhod ko. Kinda regret wearing turtleneck because it's so hot. Oh my gosh. But we don't have tops anymore left. So probably just shop new tops here or I don't know. Meron lang nakita sa Hongdae daw na bilihan ng mga tops. But then it's so hot. Wait lang. 1, 2, 2. This look good. This actually looks good. What would you suggest with my face shape? This one or this one? Okay. This one? This one?
Yes,
Looks better.
big for it.
It's big for my face.
I think this one.
You take
Yeah.
this one? I think I'll get the black one. Deep Rachel. This Deep Rachel post that shit. I'm so torn between this one or this one. One thing about me, hindi bagay sa akin. Okay, I'll get this one. Yeah, 23,900. So that's, I think, around 900 pesos. I'm just gonna use cash. So this is it. I didn't like my posters. I only like 1 out of 4. Nagulat ako kasi nagsaselfie ako dun sa may mirrors. Tapos, sabi ko, ay, gagawin ko. Period. What the fuck? I just realized I haven't eaten that curry. Cheese. For 13,000? It's so good. That name is Bali. From everywhere to Korea, Peru. Peter's even always big one. I'm on my way to Banpong. I forgot to film like an intro. What this work? Another day with Day. Oh no, it doesn't work like that. 17 has the concert here. Oh, wait, ganda na guys. I'm in Banpong. 17 has the concert here. The 10th anniversary of